Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we will be discussing a Near protocol. Near has been around for quite a while now. It's around $6 billion in market cap, no max supply. There's currently 1 billion Near tokens in supply. It is down from its all-time high, which was $20, and it's down 72%, which is okay. We've seen other coins that are down like 90 something percent. And then from the all-time low, it's up 980%. We can see the performance this past year is up 300%. And from, it's been one of the best performance in all of crypto. From the top, maybe top 20 coins, we can see it's had a huge run up. And I think that's because I think this is the first AI coin that we have spoken about in the channel. We can see here. So this is kind of the first AI coin that we have spoken around in the channel, which I personally didn't know it was AI. Actually, first Near was a Near protocol. I think it was like Near AI or AI.near, something like that. So that's pretty cool and interesting. They've been, it's like I said, since I think 2017 or 2018. So here are the coin allocations for the foundation, community sale, backers, core contributors, grants, yada yada yada. The unlock process is here. Most of the coins are unlocked, and they're still 14% locked. That's good to see. Looks like the last unlock is in 2025, so next year. They release coins kind of every day. The founders are Eric Troutman and co-founders Ilya Polo. I'm not gonna butcher his last name, but I found an article that Ilya wrote, and it's on Medium. You see here, see Near.ai, Near protocol. I'll link this to the description down below so you guys could have a read. Anyways, basically what they want to do is allow developers to build a blockchain native mobile DApps or decentralized applications and run it where the users are mobile phones, giving developers a key on-ramp into DApps. Through sharding by state, allow the blockchain to scale close to linearly with the number of nodes in the network, and allow blockchain entrepreneurs to quickly iterate and come up with successful business models, since they both have scalable blockchain and easy access to users via first mobile native blockchain. In other words, Near is a fully charted proof of stake blockchain that is specifically designed so mobile phones can participate from day one. And I think that's great. We've seen projects like Solana already try to do this, so like drop a Solana phone and yada yada yada. So I think this is amazing, and the fact that Near has been doing this, I really commend it. So where was I? Oh, there was something here, but I guess not. Anyways, let's keep going. So here's the majority of the holders. 51% is this ray gun relay. I don't know who this is. And when I go on here and like look at the transactions found, it's only 5 transactions, and it's like 56 to 68 days old. Let me see from here. Yeah, I'm not gonna be on my internet detective mode now. Anyways, if anyone knows who this 51% is, maybe it's a DAO or whatever. But you can see here, it's fairly, other than that one person, like no exchanges on here. I mean that I can see. I mean Uniswap, yeah, but no exchanges that I can see. So really just random accounts holding money, and that's good in my opinion. I think that's one of the first coins that we see like that. We can see here the transfer amounts daily. I think this is in the 10,000. The amount that was sent and everything. So looks like there's activity here. So let's go on their website. They have a lot of great things going for them. So they want to bring mass adoption and make it easier for you to have like a wallet, with face recognition. I personally don't have face recognition on my phone, but I know a lot of people do. But that's just one of the small things that they're doing that is just different from other blockchains. And I love how their website looks. Everything is kind of there and easy. So here's the fast authentication, Web3 applications, familiar logon. So one digital ID, like really, really easy to use. No seed phrase, no gas. Bring users on chain in seconds with fast authentication and relayers. I think this is a great idea. Then they have data availability layer in your rollup stacks. The people that they have, that what they're working on, and I love this. And I'm sorry for all the other websites. I need more stuff like this. I really need more stuff like this from other websites, because it kind of shows you and gives you a framework of what you're working with, and small things like this mean a lot. So here they're comparing Near, Celestia, Ethereum, Dank Sharding, EIP 484 and Ethereum. Sorry, I'm laughing because of the cost of Ethereum. Anyways, how much data? I think this to store data. So it reduces the cost, easily validates proof, and is simple to interact. And we can see here, here it is. This is another one. But yeah, Near protocol is built to onboard 1 billion users to Web3 since its mainland launch in October 2020. Near protocol has achieved 100% uptime with 4 shards and has onboarded 35 million accounts, of which 16 are monthly active accounts. Which, like I said, it is great. Oh, this is the one I wanted to go. So, Rollup data availability. And we can see comparing it to the other ones. So the data size, so the total cost is $809,000. Celestia's $225,000. I don't know why they keep using Celestia, but I guess it's the cheapest one. Base. Let's see base. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm laughing, but it's just so funny. I don't know why you would use anything else other than Near when it comes to storing and keeping your data. Let's see why it makes it so cheap. So data availability is notably inexpensive due to key factors. Firstly, Near offers a substantial amount of block space per chart, ensuring efficient utilization. Moreover, Near optimizes their space by avoiding unnecessary cryptographic load, ensuring that each 4 megabytes allocated equally precisely 4 megabytes of usable data. So I don't know, I just guess it looks like they're just far more ahead of the competition. I guess because they use AI, or they started using AI before or while building it. So here we see the applications they kind of want to do. They want to have like a AI developer and like an AI So basically, they want people to build these like developers or like build these apps with AI, which is really useful for people that don't have development experience and they want to develop something but they don't know how to. You're no longer going to need like fiber or stuff like that. You could just go on near and try to create one. So bringing AI and Web3 together to enable a user-owned internet that guarantees privacy, ownership of data, and assets where everyone can be a builder. So that's kind of their motto or mantra and what they want to do. So this is kind of their ecosystem. I really don't recognize any of these, so I will have to start getting in touch. But yeah, if you're like an AI researcher or AI founder, definitely reach out to Near. I went to a couple of in consensus. I went to some Near events, and they were all great. And here's the master plan. Near AI will build towards open source and user-owned AGI, so artificial general intelligence. Here's the plan: teaching machines to code. AI developer use AI developers to teach machines to do research. So that's like an AI researcher, and use AI researchers to advance science towards AGI that is owned by all. So here's our master plan. I'm not gonna read everything, but like I said, I'll leave it down in the comment in the description so you guys can read it. So I think that I think what they're doing is great, amazing, and like every other statistic that I looked up is looking good. So total value locked, $270 million. That's up from 2021. The peak was almost 500 million, but since the start of the year has gone up increasingly. Burrow is one of their main lenders. So like think of like Solend or Avi in Solana and Ethereum. There's one more that I'm forgetting. Metapool. I just recently did a video with them, and they're doing great things in Latin America. So definitely check them out too. Linear, I've also heard. So they have, like, this is incredible, and the fees collected. So like I said, you need money to be a functional blockchain, and you need people using it, and it looks like Near is there. So we see Near daily. This is one of their websites too. Again, everything that they have is completely transparent, and I love it. Well, their sources, trust me, bro, but I trust them. So total transactions, 7 million, new addresses seen, almost 2 million. So they're growing. I think that's, to me, this is the most important one. So daily transactions, but you guys could see all the other ones. Let's see, unique accounts. So they have a lot of unique accounts too. And what's important, it's not having a lot. It's just keep growing and keep growing and keep growing and keep growing, which is definitely everything that you want to see. Look at this. And obviously, like every other, this is a new tool I'm gonna be using, or that I found recently. And this is monthly active developers or developers in the ecosystem. Near currently has 322 full-time developers, and total developers 1,214. So it is down, and it's a bit concerning. But developers always kind of lead to the next big thing, or they leave, come. So I don't know why the number is down. They are, top 20, top 15. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, they're like 15, 16. So not always good when the number goes down, but I wouldn't. It's not like they have 100 or like they're below. They have a good number. And the last thing I want to see is also Masari, some key insights. Near's total value log ended the quarter at 335 million, which is a 163% increase from the previous quarter and 547% over the last 6 months. And I think this is because of the AI like boom, and obviously they've had a lot of stuff going on in the ecosystem as we discussed, and the near stable protocol also increased, and like everything is just kind of lining up in near. Some key metrics: revenue, 1.9 million, that is up 1.2. Average daily active addresses, 4.3 million daily transactions. So, if this was a stock in the stock market, these numbers, like everyone will be dying to buy this. Revenue, we could see 1.9 million. Kind of want to see like net income. I want to see if they're generating profit. So active addresses. So I want to see, obviously, we have crypto. Obviously, I want to see if they're making profits. But everything that I see here has been a positive. Oh, so 55 was staked. So I think that's that wallet that we saw. I think that's that wallet that we saw. Anyways, Burrow expanded its position as the leading protocol by total value locked. I wish we could see the other main ones, but I don't know if this is just near. Oh yeah, this is just on near. Okay. Metapool 2. So yeah, everything has been going great for near. This is one that I definitely see being in the top 17 now. I definitely see this being in the top 10. And it has a $6 billion market cap. Oops, sorry. $6 billion market cap. It needs to be at 14. Yeah, I definitely see it at least going back to, let's see, definitely going at least back to 8, or I don't know. I don't want to, like, I don't have any audits. What is this? Let's see. Oh, they have an audit. Okay, so they're also, I don't know, they just look like good actors. they look like they do what they care about their ecosystem and the people and everyone. So this is definitely going to explode. How much will it explode? I don't know. It is an AI play. So if NVIDIA and everything just keeps rolling up and people want to go to AI, Near is definitely one of those protocols that people will be looking at. I don't know how high it could go, but I definitely seeing it going back to, being in the top 10 at least, and kicking some of these others out. By the end of the year, I probably see this going back to 10, maybe $20, $15. I don't know if it's gonna go back to its all-time high, but it definitely has the potential. But yeah, anyway, intrigued to hear your thoughts. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Leave your thoughts, what you think about Near Protocol, and if you guys like it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.